How to fix Lazada refund rejected. Now, if you ordered something on Lazada and then you wanted to maybe apply for a refund, first of all, you must make sure that you meet the refund policy. Depending upon the product or the purchase that you made, you might also have been past the product policy. That is why you might not have been able to apply for a refund. Now, normally to check a refund status, what we can do is we can tap on the account icon from the bottom right. Under My Orders, you can go to this option called Returns and Cancellations, where you'll be able to find any sort of issues that you're having with your refund orders. If none of these is helping, the only alternative that I can suggest to you is to simply contact the customer support. To do so, tap on the settings icon or the gear icon located at the top right hand side, then go to the option called Help. From the Help section, simply select the topic of orders, and from there you'll be able to select the options for requesting or order cancellation or placing an order and so on. Or you can see the customer support number here. You can directly call them on this given number depending upon the country you're from, or you can simply talk to one of their customer representative via chat. That is all for today's video. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.